In this video, I'm going to show you how to make brochure in Canva. So in my Canva application, I already signed up for premium account. So in here, just search for brochure, and then you will find a lot of templates that you can edit. So as for me, I have more than 3,000 templates that I can use to edit my brochure. So for example, I'm going to use this one. And to edit the text, just go ahead and tap on the text that you wanted to change. So you can edit all of this and put as much as you want. You can also move and delete all the image that you see here on the brochure. So eventually you can edit all of this. So later on I will put this screenshot of the brochure that I made. As you can see here, I just click on the image and move it somewhere else or delete the image. So you will see here the difference, the before and after of the brochure. And that's it, guys. That's how to make a brochure in Canva. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.